I'm a brand new bed. Now, Susan went 3 times.
Empire Dregu form. Let's say, Nana, or Shedda. Now, only a dear bay, dear, never ye. And that coming and be China. Eric Befremi said, Bruni be frame. And then, dear, me walking sit so fem bro, coy.
There's everything we know, of course, is here.
Okay, Winnie, we did the kind ever.
We're sure. We're sure, sorry, because Captain Tiga don't know.
Take my words. Nana, I'm putting it from you.
Okay.
Girl, mommy for back, right? Okay. I did the audio. But they give me the American and who start as cow is castle. But they give me walking some man of big time.
Masem, say, or talk kind in our mammy. Nansonim, send a bruni on in a nama chimpnapping. On in a nama at chimpnapping.
Hi. And I'm offering with you. When a trophy, just obey the 2 years.
Mimi, Bombay, you know what's Bombay. Hey, to say Hampa. Fafa, what's if you're Wampa?
This is my house.
Hey, Fafa, Miss Rowe. Any brainy. Fafa, what for me, Chapa, you be a memo. Hey,
Madam,
I'm disappointed in you.
Judge, why judge first? Don't even go there, please. Besides, did you introduce me to him?
Fafa, it's weird now, Goshiano. Mr. Ayadena won't number. Now we are there. I just want to know. I want to know. And I'm person who Otega. I want to see Otega. I want to see Otega.
Get out.
Mr. Otega, get out. Otega, what is happening here?
Who show you this place?
I don't know.
So you're really here?
Get out.
I told you today morning.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
It's my home.
Get out. Get out.
I don't want to see you. Remember?
You are in Africa, okay?
Get out.
You have no idea.
Get the hell out of here, please.
Otega. Is that
Get out.
Is that how you are?
Get out of here.
Otega.
Go.
My name is Nana. Go and ask. My name is Nana.
Oh, and so what? And so what? And so what?
I'm disappointed in you.
Madam, people.
Papa, let me.
Don't ever come here again.
Otega.
Stop banging my gates, please.
Come you Fiana. Or be dressed by her. Or dress it is a Muslim, about her say, or pay baby a toilet. Now, when near Wakatakatani, when you naba has a baby a toilet, and I'm there. Me chum.
Good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon. Can I please use your toilet, please?
What?
Yes, I was going to Terefe.
Who are you?
I want to go to toilet, madam. Please, I want to go to
toilet.
Who
are you? And why here?
I am not a Ghanaian.
Where are you from?
Obviously, I'm an ambassador's wife. Please, can I use your toilet, madam? Please.
Is that your car?
Yes, that's my car. Please, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
On to the bush.
Where do I go?
No, if we have baby or how your baby uncle, me say me hana over toilet. This is on your crown phone. I read your on the train.
Guess who it is?
Are you okay?
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you.
Do you want to sit? Hey, Nana,
madam. Let me say me who after I am satisfied. 100%.
The beer me cancer we are pay. We are pay for open down me fear.
I am the master of the game. I'm the master of the game. Shit, Nana man obedi ni wagro. Ti say na if you had say ntina dan one mama memu no. You take her. Think I am me pa no take her. Chesenga me na me wa. Oh, hanya bad. Not bad at all. Oh, hana ya chin ya hoka kra na at least me coffee okra me kra meet mama interior deco. I'm a sing her kra. A real master of the game. Fafa. You know who he is.
I feel very used. He didn't send me a fee. We didn't send me a fee or take any her. Papa, any be who can so you. If you say a boy ram here, why any who say, oh, why free him?
Gay to say, baby, I'm a Fabian, not Tatami. Bonia, why am I attending now? So, see, Brunia, me Mako Hono, and I trim na painting, and not your Bema Bruna, him no who me can't cry the nanny, a teacher. Nana mania teacher. Mini Bruni ebe woye. Bibia ye kama. Afe, mi wa. O baby ne fe abrocha ba. Say Bruni wo yire wa broche.
Hello. Oh my God. Natasha.
Ortega Armando Sanchez.
What are you doing
What
here?
are you doing here?
Oh my God. How are you? How's... Hey, come on.
Don't touch me.
Oh
What are you doing here?
Please.
I gave you the money to come and buy the gold. You took the money from me. And what are you doing in this house?
I explained to you. Let me explain to you later. Oh my gosh.
What's going on here? Who is she?
It's one of your friends.
Friend?
Yes.
Friend,
Family friend.
tell her the truth.
Hey! Lady, stop shouting.
He
in my
is
house.
my husband. He
Your
is my husband.
Ortega! Ortega!
I explained to you. Baby.
Ortega, explain here!
Hold on a second.
Who is your husband?
Please.
He is my husband, okay?
It's a long story, baby. Can I explain?
Ortega.
Okay, hold on a second. You guys get inside, please.
No. I'm not going anywhere.
Please.
I'm not going anywhere.
Please.
Explain to me what she's doing here.
The neighbors, it's not good. Please, can you please?
Ortega! Ortega!
Please, baby.
Oh! Hey!
Oh my gosh.
What was all whom you brought down my
It's
house?
right, it's
Explain to me what she's doing here.
I cannot explain
Lady,
right now. Please.
get out of my house.
Let's get inside.
Get out of my house!
No, baby. Okay. Oh my gosh.
It's
Oh my
okay.
God. Please, baby.
Ortega, she's not coming in here.
Please, can you get inside? Please?
No, she's not.
Please.
She's not.
I beg you.
You're not
please.
going in here. This is my
Baby,
house.
please. Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Just give me 5 minutes, please.
Ortega.
Please.
Ortega.
Please, baby. Be careful. Okay, leave her.
Wafai also your brony also your take away. Ortega me why money na me brony also say why oh wafai.
Otega. Huh? So this is what you're doing here in Ghana with my money.
Come for you, dumb. My friend, get out.
I am
get
going.
out. Get out.
I'm going, okay? You cannot push me like
get
this.
Get out. You come to somebody's house and you are walking around the
Otega is my husband.
Get
Do you
out.
understand?
My friend, get out.
Yes, he's my husband.
My friend, what are you still doing here? Otega has run away, so you better find your way out. Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Find your way out. He has run away. Get out of my house. My friend, get out. Or you want me to drag you out? Who does that mean choose about you? Huh? Who does that mean choose about?
Otega has the money. He doesn't have any money. So I will wait for him until he comes here.
Hey. Hey. Who better than me? Me could have better than me. Madam, you can't stay here. Get out. You can go and wait for him outside. Do you hear me? Go and wait for him outside if you don't want me to drag you out.
Leave my hand, okay? तुम क्या सोचती हो पागल मुझे पागल बनाना चाहती हो तुम
carton say go me so my foot I'm cast mucho
I will not go until he comes back. Do you understand?
Hey brony penu wa say me wiawe wo pa wa say mo so you brony so you dey minim wa betina me fie ha say I'm not going until he come. Hey, Otega is my husband. Did you see the baby? We have a baby together, so find your way out.
I am not moving anywhere. I'm even going to sleep here until he comes. Do you understand?
When I got do you think I hear me? Do you think I hear me? Madam, get out! Get out! Get out before I lose my temper!
See, my life go back to zero. Brony Ayra. Brony Ayra, meaning baby a Brony fire. Senere didn't call you, said then you, Brony Ayra. Eja, me rent a soup, me yes country. Me kai, me to me maintaining. In teacher say back to zero. And my baby single room where ya baby fee. And me ano, ya baby fee. No problems. Me ko dware ayesi hey. Me ko ye me hu ye kra ayesi bewe. Chese, me gusu sa